Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be demonstrating a simple, yet elegant cake painting technique that is perfect for professional as well as home bakers. This method is easy to follow and helps you achieve a refined, artistic finish with minimal tools. To begin with, let's talk about the brush selection. For this painting technique, we are using a 1.25-inch flat brush. This brush size is ideal for creating smooth textures and clean patterns on the cake surface. It allows better control and helps maintain a neat and professional look. Now, let's move on to the painting process. We have used two types of brush strokes to create this texture. The first is a single, defined stroke. This stroke helps in forming structured and clean lines, giving the cake a sharp and elegant appearance. The second is a soft and simple stroke. This stroke is used to blend the texture and add depth to the design. By combining these two strokes, the cake develops a natural, hand-painted effect that looks both modern and sophisticated. While painting, always keep your hand light and movements smooth. Avoid applying too much pressure, as gentle strokes create a better and more refined texture. Take your time. Patience is the key to achieving a professional finish. Once the painting is complete, carefully apply the gold foil along the cake border, which is completely food safe and specially designed for cake decoration. Even a small amount of gold foil makes a big difference and enhances the beauty of the design without overpowering it. This detail makes the cake perfect for weddings, anniversaries, and luxury celebrations. Now, let's take a moment to look at the final cake design. The soft painted texture, combined with the shimmering edible gold foil, creates a stunning and sophisticated appearance. The cake looks elegant, modern, and professionally finished. This decorating technique is simple, effective, and does not require advanced skills. With the right brush, basic strokes, and edible gold foil, you can easily recreate this design at home or in your bakery. If you enjoyed this cake painting tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment below and tell us how you liked the final look. And we'll see you in the next video with another beautiful cake decorating idea. Thank you for watching.